Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to show you this really awesome silicone paint mat. So I absolutely love this. Very crafty family, so I love to do crafts all the time, and this is so amazing. You literally clean it up so easy, put it away, and when you want to paint, you unfold it. It has its own water dish that unfolds as well. It is held on with a magnet, so you can take it off, get your water, and it's not gonna fall over. You just stick it right back on the magnet. It has nice paintbrush holders on the side of it, so if you have dry ones or you want them to dry, they're right there. You have little dents and squares for your paints, for mixing. It's all right there. They're not gonna leak over. You don't have to put too much. You can put all the colors you want, and then you have another spot where you can put more brushes, pencils, whatever you want to do for your craft. So I basically use this for paint because I find it the messiest, and this is the easiest to clean it off. So you literally do your painting. Whenever you're done, you just put it in the sink with hot soapy water. Just literally let it sit for a bit. You could scrub it, but honestly, the hot water, literally, you can wipe the paint off with your hand, which I absolutely love. And then you have this nice, clean mat again. It also has measurements on the sides and the bottom, so if you are doing different crafts, you don't have to get a ruler. It's just right there. So I love that everything is all in one. I love how easy the cleanup is, and I love that we can do crafts and have so much fun with this to come. But that's just my point of view.